Suck it! Hot girl, go away from me in my waterbed! You get out of my house, nerd! Everyone listen up! This Saturday, we are going to win! Mark my words! From this moment on, we do not lose! Yeah!
Columbia, shit looks decent.
Oh, is that a Peyton?
Oh yeah, Peyton Broncos.
Looks like a kid's stuff.
Jeff Gordon, pretty cool too.
Yeah, that would be.
How much you want on that?
$7.
7, do 5?
Yeah.
Bet. Damn. What size are these?
Huh?
7 wise?
But next week is gonna be, I think I'm gonna bring some more.
Bet. How about on these?
I can do 15 on those ones.
Alright, so 20 for the both?
Yeah.
Bet. Yes, sir.
You okay?
Yep. Appreciate you, man.
Six years ago when I came here,
$2 a bag.
Okay.
at night, daybreak, before daybreak, 5, I went with a flashlight. Everybody had light on, and now back away. That was when they took.
Phone. Go grab these two. Thank you. Is that $2? Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
You have a good day.
Y'all too.
I got a 1099 and I ain't putting a damn thing on eBay no more. I had a little sales this year.
Oh yeah, that Carhartt is sweet.
It's a cool ass car.
Yeah. Here you go.
Is that Carhartt too?
Hold on, guys. I got other stuff.
Okay.
This shit's hard.
Yeah, that is sweet. With the dark brown color. That's the Polo. Just America. I have a Polo one just like it, yo.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is sweet. The only thing that would make it better is if it had the RL on it. Yes. Yeah. That's crazy. Huh.
Those are cool.
Yeah, they're cheap, but I mean,
Some Elton John.
yes. And
Okay.
the clear plastic. It's so. Want to go 2 for it all?
Do it all. 200.
All right, don't lose this.
Yeah, I'll throw that in my bag right now.
Wish I had something else to throw in. I'd like to throw something in. Oh, it's a museum of modern art. It sounds
Oh, yeah.
like. And next week, I know.
Okay.
Okay. One I have not been able to find online. All right, see you guys.
Oh yeah, have a good day. Boom. $3.99. Not bad. Peter.
Give it out money.
7, 8.5.
Really?
Yeah.
Have a great day.
Start with thrift trip. Got that for the loom, new wage. Got that Reaper with the hellhounds. Hell yeah. Got Red Bar Anvil. Secrets of the Kingdom quote with the Fuji Camps back hit with the Kilimanjaro back hit. And end it off, we got that Polo Golf, Polo Ralph Lauren with the green, nice little peach colorway, banger.
Quick little haul for me. We got that MV Hunt North Carolina ferry system. Cool little color block hat. Still new with tags. Head most. Yeah, little older Y2K. We got these US Open polos, size large on this one, gray. What's this? 121st. This one's 122nd with a way cooler design. Got all over print, 122nd. Yes, sir. Fire. And final piece from me, we got that full zip, a Twilight Heat, Team Edward, on the Pacific and Company. Bing, bong. And we also got them foam posits held for us behind the counter. Yes, sir. Suck a dude. These shirt racks are emptying out. Cryptech hat's pretty cool.
Gore-Tex insulated.
Hell yeah.
2 pieces of Halo. We got that Gore-Tex fabrics, that nice camo bucket hat with the insulated. Yes, sir. And oh shit, with it we got the button fly 30 by 32, made in the US of A.
Yes, sir.
Can't pass up the made in the USA Levi's. Saturday all summer.
I think I'm gonna grab these. I'm gonna run it. A little double knee too.
Double knee.
End the day here at Goodwill. We got that 3M Vans hat, 3M wraparound. Nice little clasp back there. The checkerboard on the Vans tag somewhere in here. Yeah, there it is. Boom. Go over to some heaters right here. That Carhartt, good Carhartt. Double knee, high visibility yellow work pants with more 3M. Yes, sir. Fire. Here we got some little newer action. New Tall-Tex, Fallout Boy. With the, I'm back with the madness. Yes, sir. That's vintage heat right here. Hamlicker Smelliker XL. Let's see on this pocket tag. 1993 all leather. Size XL. Dope little vest. Yes, sir. Good comps on that. Then we got that white tag Nike with the collar embroidery. But $650. No, no, no.
No, no, no.
Can't do it. Can't do it. But can do this right here. Banger. Nike team. Maryland. Mini swoosh. Nike team hit down there. Fucking heater. This ain't going nowhere. Yes, sir.
Bang, bang. Finish up with the Goodwill trip. We got that Zelda Majora's Mask. Newer age. But can't pass it up for $250. Then we got that new with tags action. Hot Topic. Linkin Park. Breaking the Habit. Banger, banger. No back hit. And getting some vintage. Got that Real Tree Camo. Made in the US of A.
Faded in a hole.
Single dingle.
All the way around.
All the way around. Bang, bang. And end it off, we got that Delta Pro made in the USA. That Marvel print with the 2002 tagging. Banger.
Boom, yes sir. Wraps up another great day of Thrift and Flea, and now we're back with another unboxing.
From, can you guess who? The boy RJ yet again.
Yes,
we got a mixed lot here, full of shirts, hats, pants, all the good shit. Total $93 total. Let's see what we got.
As always with the W packaging. Yes sir. We'll hop into this box. We're gonna just go one and one back and forth. And we're gonna start with these hats right here. We got some, I think it's minor league baseball, I believe. I wanna say it's,
Or XFL. Seattle Sea Dragons.
yeah, hell yeah, yeah. It could be Seattle Sea Dragons, who knows?
Doubt it though. Doubt it.
On that Melonware, the Pepsi hit. Yes sir. Fire piece, fire piece.
Yes sir. Ooh. And we got that red NASA hit. Yes sir. With the black brim. On the Pacific.
Yes sir. And you already know I'm fucking with this one. Chevy boys. Yes sir, what's that? Nash Chevrolet. Dope little beige. Blue brim. The leather strap back. On the West Shots. West Shots.
For all my alcoholics, we got that yellow BL Bud Light. Yes sir. Yellow cap with a leather back too. Made in Taiwan.
Keep them yellow hats going. Where my Pittsburgh natives at. As Steelers, Reebok. The hit on the back, the flex fit. Large XL NFL team tag. Yes sir.
We go. All right. Heart attack for you boys. Got the Monster Energy on the NASCAR Cup Series. Yes sir.
Fire.
Nice little strap back on the New Era. Yes sir.
Super Dynamite Soul. Guess we got some, oh yeah, there we go. James Brown. Yes sir.
Yes sir.
On that little adjustable back. New with tags. New with tags. Fire. On the Mighty Healthy New York tag.
Okay.
Heat. That's heat.
We got, all right, nice little essential. Orlando Magic. With the Magic fitted hat. On the American Needle with the tag still on it. Yes, sir. Oh, and the cardboard.
University of Nebraska. And I'm the Huskers and Corn Huskers. Yes, sir, Corn Huskers. Nice little snapback piece. College official on the, oh, made in USA. The MMB tag. Yes, sir. New with tags.
Oh, new with tags action.
New with tags.
That local shit, that Orioles. With the American League. Strap back. On the genuine merch.
Got that Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut. So we Domino's gang over here.
Yes, sir.
Made in China. Nice little simple essential Pizza Hut worker hat. This guy's getting all the new attack shit.
Yeah, handing off the hats. Script Nebraska hat. Still with the tag on it. That crazy felt brim.
The game hit.
With the game hit, yeah, on the back. Made in Taiwan, yes sir.
Fire, fire. Now we'll hop into the t-shirts real quick. I already see this one off the top. Got that tie-dye. Newer age screen print, the tie-dye Jurassic Park. Movie t-shirts always do good, yes sir.
What we got here? Oh shit. Yes sir, my shit. That Creature from the Black Lagoon, yes sir. On that Gildan, bang bang.
Then I might as well keep the tie-dyes going. Again, little newer age screen print tag. That dope ass Star Wars R2-D2 tie-dye, fire.
Oh, looks like some racing. Got some racing in this. Oh yeah, some Stuart Haas, Tony Stewart. Yes sir.
Custer.
Oh no, not even Tony Stewart. It's fucking Custer. God damn it.
Oh, some NASCAR from me.
Yes sir.
I got that boy Dale Jr. in the amp car. What do we got it on? Chase Authentics XL with the back hit. Yes sir.
Bang bang. See this purple John. What purple tee we got? Oh, okay.
My boys.
Okay.
I'm Colorado
Rockies. Yes sir. On the Majestic with the Gonzalez back hit.
Fire.
Banger.
Fire. Hop in with this one. We got that Stussy, however you want to say it. Fire. Gonna have to do some comps on that hill. The Stussy tag.
Bang bang. And orange piece. What we got here? What we got? Yes sir. Tennessee. Screen print on the Coliseum tag. Nice little basic tee.
College tees always move good.
Yes sir. With the Volunteers back hit. Yes sir.
We found a shirt like this today.
Oh hell yeah.
We almost found the same exact tee earlier today at the Thrift. This one doesn't have the hellhounds on it though. It's just the dragon.
The skull.
Skull, yeah. That's fire. That's fire. What we got this on? Gildan Heavy 3XL. Any of the big boys out there, come shop.
Big boys. Oh my god. This green piece. Oh shit. Alright.
Warner Brothers.
Warner Brothers Studios. Got that Taz. What does it say? Mr. Fix-It. Pocket tee. Is there a year? Is there a year? Yeah, 1997.
Yes,
Warner Brothers
sir.
Studios. Yes, sir.
Uh-oh. That Army of Darkness.
Oh.
That's actual shit, as you see.
Yeah.
I beat him to it. What you got? Size large on the fruit. I'm sure this be saying with stuff. Yes, sir. Fire.
Oh, some more. Hard Rock Cafe. Myrtle Beach on the Hard Rock.
Made in USA.
Yeah, made in USA, Hard Rock tag. Banger.
Little purple tee for me. How that? Oh, the witch.
I'll get you, my pretty.
Fired on that. USA parts, made in Mexico, TNT tag with a 2006 copy rating on that hoe. Yes sir, fire.
2 more tees. We got Coliseum, Iowa, Hawkeyes, Coliseum tag, nice little essential piece.
Very last t-shirt of the box.
Oh, my secondary team.
Boston Red Sox. Nice little screen print majestic tag with the back hit. Yes sir.
And
last 2 pieces to end the box
last
off.
2 pieces. Thought it was pants, but it's actually a jacket. That nice Nike.
My little Y2K piece.
Yes sir.
What tag? What tag?
Oh, is it? Hold up, is it reversible?
Yes sir it is. Yes sir it is. Damn. Make it even better.
Yes sir, it is. That reversible Nike. Let's see. Finally, there we go. Silver tag. Yes sir. Banger.
Fire. The very last piece, bagged up in the Marlboro bag. We got a nice little collection of some Marlboro bags and shit, so I'm sure these will stay in the PC. We got them, ooh, all the way down, them pants. Marlboro Adventure Team, right there. Nice essential nylon joggers, fire. That ends off that box. Another heater. Shout out you, RJ.
Yes, sir.
Always coming through for us, blessing with the great deals. Now into our fits of the week and the viewer find of the week. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And before we get into my fit of the week, just want to take a quick second. Thank y'all for making it this far and checking us out every week. We cannot do this without y'all. This nice ass weather got me excited for Thrift and Flea Season 2. If you haven't already, check out the playlist. Should be right here. On to my fit of the week. Got that every week shit. The SAJ Patriots hat with my shit. Army of Darkness. Come and get them. Come get some Ash with the back hit. Yes, sir.
Just in time for the movie.
Yes, sir. Just in time for Rise. Then we got gray shorts with the perpetrating. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. And before I get into my fit of the week, I want to thank y'all for watching every week also. And I want to remind y'all, we're on that road to 1K, almost there. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button for us. Yes, sir. And now for the viewer find of the week. Yes, sir. We got our boy from Slovakia, V-Sick. This week he's got them Ivizu Puma jeans. Never even heard of Ivizu before. It's a Japanese brand. Looked them up. They got some sick long jeans I would love to find with some dope embroidery and stuff. Yes, sir. On to my fit of the week. We got that 1994 Daytona Winston Cup hat from the Buyout from our boy London the other week. I'll link that video if you haven't seen that. With that, we got that Dale Bud shirt, AOP all over. Action, yes, sir. With them Half Evil shorts and the foams.
Yes, sir.
Boom.